Hey, Cars Guys, welcome back to the channel. JT here. Hey, glad to have you back, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and this is the channel where all that matters is cars, guys. Not too bad today, guys. A little bit brisk out, slightly overcast, but you know what? Better than nothing. I'll take this over snow any day. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the last episode where we went out to County Corvette and saw some really nice cars, some vintage stuff, some all different phases or stages of restoration going down at County Corvette. So if you're in the market for a Corvette, an older Corvette, or if you have an older Corvette and you want to have some stuff done to it, or if you just want anything done to your current Corvette, check out County Corvette. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and thanks for pressing play. This week started to consider putting the mini soothe down. As you can see, I've been kind of using that as a daily these last few weeks with this bad weather, but starting to get a little nicer out, guys, and I'm thinking about taking Dragon Ball Z out. That's right, guys, I have a 2005 anniversary edition 350Z, and started messing around with it a little bit, guys, getting it ready for the spring and summer, and got a little bit of an issue. I think I need plugs, so I went out and grabbed some plugs, and we're going to jump in Dragon Ball Z today, guys, and go get some plugs put in. That's right, we're going to get 6 plugs put in Dragon Ball Z and see if that fixes a little issue. I got a little bit of an issue. I lose power, particularly when I'm on an incline. When I'm going up on an incline, I get a loss of power, and I get the check engine light flashing, and those are the symptoms that you need plugs. Probably never been changed in this car, and it's time we do some plugs. So hey guys, come hang out with me while we go get Dragon Ball Z some plugs, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, smash the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification. Let you know when I do these things, guys. So hey, welcome back to the channel, and let's jump in Dragon Ball Z and go get some plugs. Well, there you have a cold start, guys. Dragon Ball Z. We're all started, and we'll let Dragon Ball Z warm up a bit, and we're going to jump in and go get some plugs. Hey, stick around, Cars Guys. I haven't been in Dragon Ball Z for a while, and tell you what, guys, this is a fun little car. I don't know how many of you Cars Guys out there have 350Zs or 370Zs, but fun cars. Hey, if you guys haven't seen the upload where I do ABZs, go back a few episodes ago and check out ABZs. My neighbor, Mark, in the same subdivision here, has a 350Z. So we did some rolling footage and went around the back roads in Mexico, and did some nice stuff. So if you haven't seen that upload, ABZs. Anyway, guys, let's get it cracking here. Now, what happens, guys, is I end up on any kind of when I go to accelerate, or I'm on any kind of incline, I lose power, and my check engine light starts flashing. But if I'm just kind of tooling along, not pushing it, Dragon Ball Z here does fine, but it's got all the symptoms of needing plugs. So I grabbed some double platinum plugs. Against my better judgment, it calls for the iridium plugs, which is obviously a step up in quality and in price. So hey guys, when you got 5 cars, a motorcycle, bicycles, roller skates, ice skates, skateboards, hoverboards, when you got all that stuff, guys, you gotta pay attention to what you spend on all this stuff. The trials and tribulations of being a Cars Guy. I'm sure you guys know that. But yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're tooling along here in Dragon Ball Z. Gonna go grab some plugs, and got some guys, really good guys, that help me with some stuff sometimes. Sometimes, guys, we're all DIYers. We all do it ourselves a lot of times, and sometimes the job is a little bit more daunting than you would like. And you know, I'm by myself a lot, so I'm going to have my buddies help me with this project. It's a little bit involved getting those plugs out, particularly bank 2 on the passenger side. Got to move some stuff out of the careful. You can't, obviously, you can't over torque the plugs, putting them in and, you know, taking them out. So I'm going to leave it up to my buddies that have a shop. And, yeah, see, I'm losing power here. Yeah, so we're going to go to my buddy's shop. But hey, cars guys become bearing gifts. So I got to stop and get a couple of pizzas for these guys. And oh wow, GTO just went by me, guys. I don't know if you saw it in the mirror there. But yeah, nice GTO, 60s version GOAT, as they call them. But yeah, guys, hey, stick around, and we're gonna go to my buddy's shop, and hopefully they can take care of Dragon Ball Z, and we'll be zipping around in no time with new plugs. So thanks for checking in again, guys. Hey, cars guys, hey, we're across the street from where I'm getting plugs on Dragon Ball Z, and if you look around, there's a Volvo place here, and all they do is Volvos, and there's a very interesting car here. Beautiful color, 6-speed manual in here. Looks like it's an 07R. If you see the R on the calipers, the R on the wheels. And for $8 grand, guys, this is a crazy Volvo. You see here, it's an R. They also have an R wagon that's pretty impressive also. Looks pretty clean. All-wheel drive. Here you have an S60R, guys. Interesting car. Alright, stick around, cars guys. We're going to walk down and see our friends at D'Ambrosio, where I got Ramsey. Beautiful Cobra. You know what, guys? It just occurred to me. We're actually hunting for hoopties. That's right, guys. You might as well combine the episode here. And this is the feature where we try to find a great daily for a great price. So, hey, we're essentially hunting for hoopties, guys. So let's do it. This guy's an Austin Powers Fiat. Yeah, baby. Here's a quad Stelvio. Gorgeous. Stelvios there. Cool little Mercedes here, guys. A CLA 250. Got that green accent going on, and check out the interior here, guys. Alcantara, gorgeous. Green accents around the vents. Really interesting Mercedes. Green stitching. A cool little Mercedes. And this guy right here, guys, this is an M240i. Another nice car. Convertible. Interesting little car though. Gorgeous. The M steering wheel. Beautiful paddles. SQ4 Ghibli, all-wheel drive Ghibli. Another gorgeous car. The peanut butter interior. So as vet lovers like to call it Kalahari. Beautiful Trident. Maserati, the mystical, magical, majestic, mysterious Maserati. If you haven't seen that upload, guys, Maserati. Well, there you have it, guys. A little bonus coverage at Jeff D'Ambrosio here. We kind of hunted for hoopties, but saw the big guy, guy who sold me Ramsey. So, hey, we're gonna hoof it back up to where Dragon Ball Z is and see if we can get these plugs. Stick around, Cars does. Hey, can you tell me where to find a Mavis in this area?
You go to the turnpike, take it out to Pittsburgh, and then you get, well, actually, before you get to Pittsburgh, you take 81 south, when you get to South Carolina.
Yeah.
Come on out here, I'll show you something.
Okay. That can be good, guys, whenever they say, let me show you something.
Where is the plug?
I put it in one of the boxes.
What was it?
That would be the one.
He like looking no good.
Oh, yeah.
We're using oil, man.
That explains it.
And that's on the
Driver's
side rear
That's the
wheel.
last one. I don't consent.
That explains it, because this thing, whenever I was on an incline or whenever I got in the pedal a little bit, it would bog down, check engine light would flash, lose power.
That's the one that's missing right there. So you probably need to take this apart, put new valve cover gaskets on it,
Really?
and the little seals around it, because that's leaking the oil on that inside.
Oh, is that what's happening?
Yep.
All right, there you have it, Cars guys. Got the plugs in. It should be okay. Dragon Ball Z.
Yep, we got it in.
Got it done. All right, guys. Thanks. Hey, Cars guys. So there you have it, guys. Dragon Ball Z, 6 brand new plugs, and these guys took care of us here at Mavis Discount Tires. My buddies here were able to get the plugs in and running a lot better. Huge white puff of smoke, which they said is a good sign. So it burned off all the old carbon and any kind of oil that may have gotten in there with that bad plug. So hey guys, thanks for checking in, and I hope you enjoyed the episode. And please, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw, and hit the bell notification. Let you know when I do these things. Hey guys, thanks for checking back in, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Cars guys. Oh yeah, Dragon Ball Z, sounds pretty good. Did an air filter, new plugs, all's well in the world, guys. All right, let's start heading back to the Cars Guys Lab. It's funny, guys, that they just offered me a job. Said, hey man, you're good with people, and you know your cars. We just let a guy go. So I'm like, you know, what do you say to that? You know, it's always nice when people would love to have your services. But I'm committed to Cars Guys. I told them I've got a following. I've got an obligation to get uploads in every week. Can't be messing around with cars. Wait a minute. So anyway, Cars Guys. Hey, there you have it, guys. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you a part of Cars Guys Nation. So smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw today and any other episode you saw. And hey, hit the bell notification. Let you know when I have more of these uploads. And as always, guys, you're on the channel where all that matters is Cars Guys. And I'm going to take Dragon Ball Z on the road and do a little running and ripping. So hey, I'll see you guys in the next upload. Cars Guys.